Welcome to 94 Cambridge Street in Carina Heights. This low-set house on 536 square meters of land is the perfect opportunity for all buyers to get into this incredible location. Let's check it out. This property has some amazing features, including this very unique ceiling structure, giving you a true feeling of space and allowing a lot of natural light throughout the home. Both the living and the dining areas flow onto this covered outdoor space. It is the perfect place to entertain all year round. There's plenty of room in the backyard for your Sunday barbecue with the kids, but there's also enough space for you to add a pool in, making it the perfect Queensland home. This 3-bedroom house breezes with potential. This is the place for your family to grow into. Give me a call now or come to the next inspection.